Think about how you learned to ride a bike. Most of us didn't receive any formal instructions on how a bicycle works or how to ride one. We all probably needed a bit of help when we rode it for the first time, but we pretty much knew what to do with it when we first used it. We knew there were pedals, and we had to use our feet, and we had to hold on to the handlebars, and we learned all of this through experience. We weren't clueless about what to do because we had seen other people use it. Psychologists have always been fascinated with how humans learn, and this gave birth to learning theories. A Canadian psychologist named Albert Bandura came up with the social learning theory to help us understand how people learn. Social learning theory's main principle is that children learn many things just from watching others, just like we did when we learned to ride a bike. Learning cannot be understood through studying behavior alone. Because of Bandura's research, we know that cognitive processes also influence behavior. Social learning theory examines how environmental and cognitive factors influence human learning and behavior. Let's take a minute for those of us who may have never used guided notes to do the first part together. So please take out your guided notes and fill in the blanks. It's important to model things for our students, so when we use guided notes, let's remember to do this because we can't assume they all know how to do something. Who can give the first answer to the first blank? Miho, can you pick somebody?